Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your Android lock screen. So this feature has been available on iPhone since the release of iOS 16, but now it is also available for Android users. In order for you to be able to do this, try to make sure you're updated to the latest version of Android, which is the Android 14 update. So firstly, go to your settings application. Then from a settings application, then click on personalization. So once you click on personalization, all you just have to do is to scroll down and click on lock screen. So you're going to see the lock screen, then click on edit. So just click on the edit here. From here you can choose your clock style, use the particular style you want to use for it, and choose the color also. So this is just how you can easily do this, guys. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.